Hi, manok. Ayan, no. Nagpakita ulit si Haring Araw. Mamumulot kami ngayon ng itlog. O, napulot na ni Lolo. Ay, ayun, may itlog, daddy, sa loob. Ayun, may itlog. Hindi na ako papasok. Ikaw na lang. Ayan, oh. May itlog doon, oh, sa dahon-dahon. Nakahon ng mga batag. Mga ipot. Magugas ka dyan sa gripo mamaya. Ikuskus mo yung ano mo. Go, dad. Ito, may itlog. Mga nakabaon yata yun dyan sa dahon. Ayun, isa. Isang itlog. 2. Okay. Mayroon pa? Ayan pa. Wala na? Oh. Nakabaon? Yan. Nakatago pala. Tinago ng mga pato. Ayan pa. 3, 4, 5, 6. Wala nang nakabaon. O, ibalik mo yung mga dahon-dahon. Pag itlog nila ulit. Okay, guys. Oh, there's 2 birds over there. May ibon doon, oh. Yan, oh. Robin. May dalawang ibon doon, daddy, puti, oh. Oh, lumipad na. Mega love shoutout to our 6 live viewers. Hello, guys. Welcome to our live this morning. It's 10 a.m. here in the Philippines, and that is the scorching heat of the sun. Hi, Mr. Sun. Oh, Horizon Singer. Hello, mega love shoutout to you. Thank you for watching. Oh, how many eggs we've got? Huh? 7 eggs in all. Thank you, Lord. Yung mga duckies natin, they're right over there. Hi, duckies. Hi, Arlit Guadalupe Santana. Hello, mega love shout out. Welcome to our live. We have a beautiful day today. Marinig natin yung mga huni ng mga ibon. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Mayroon ditong guava. Mataas na yung mga ano dito, oh. Damo. Maglilinis na naman ulit si Lord. Ah? Iyo, pwede. Iyo, sabi na kay Papa. Sabi na kay Papa. May bayabas dito, oh. Guava. Let's check if there is bunga. Check natin. Ay. Ay. Medyo mataas na yun. Baka may snake dito. Ay. Ayan, that's the guava tree. Parang wala namang bunga. Oh, bulaklak pa lang. Wala pang bunga. May flower pa lang siya. Ayan, flower, white flower. Mega love shout out to our 1 liker. Thank you for giving us like. And to our 12 million live viewers. Hello, hello. Mango tree. In the middle of the fish pond. Oh, ang ganda ng panahon natin ngayon. Thank you, Lord. I love it. It's always raining here in our province. In Bicol region. Oh, we have another live commenter. We have here Liza Kalita. Oh, I don't understand. What? No, Brazil Teddy. I can't read. Hi, Arlit Guadalupe Santana. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't understand. Where are you from, guys? Hola. Good morning. Can you hear the chirps of the birds? The duck is right over there.